Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Ericofon by North Electric, so it is an original, and this is Craig's equipment from Washington. And this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. Now we want to run through a little bit about what's going on with this unit. It does not have a ring cycle, and these units have a warble sound on the ring cycle. It's kind of like an early style piezo buzzer sound. And so we want to go ahead and troubleshoot our ring cycle circuit and the main PC board for the ring cycle circuit. Now we know that someone has been into the unit at some point because two of the mounting screws are in the wrong location, and the screws for the mounting are different sizes, so we know that the screws need to be taken care of and put into the right location. We also want to go through the rotary dial. We want to clean, oil, and adjust the rotary dial and make sure that our numbers are dialing properly. We also want to take a look at the hook switch. It does not want to hang up and release the hang up properly, so we want to take a look at that issue. We will be going through the entire telephone while it's in the shop. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool Ericofon by North Electric, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with the repair of this really cool Ericofon, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention that we have an amplified pickup connected to the telephone at the receiver, and that's so that you can hear the audio from the telephone on our final checkout. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. It is pretty quiet today, but if you hear any noise, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now what we want to do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle, like you were getting a call, so we'll start that. We're going to let that go a few times. I'm going to let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We're going to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. We have a nice smooth return on our rotary dial now. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our telephone up. Now that we know that we're ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out, we have transmit and receive, we can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That'll give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
To hear the time and temperature, just stay on the line. Today is Tuesday, November 24th. The current time, 5:19 p.m. and the temperature, 52 degrees.
Now that we know that this really cool Ericofon made by North Electric, it is an original telephone, has been repaired, we can return this unit back to Craig and he can enjoy this telephone. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.